Hi guys, it's Chet here from websitewizard.tv. In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily get the UK Coinbase quiz answers for free in just a couple of minutes. If you're someone that buys and trades crypto using Coinbase and you're from the UK, then you may be aware that there are now new Coinbase UK regulations that require you to pass a quiz in order to be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. I'm going to now show you how to pass the Coinbase quiz without any issues, so let's dive straight in. Before we get started, be sure to smash that subscribe button and be sure to turn on notifications as well. And if you're a new subscriber on my channel, then let me know by dropping a comment below the video saying I subscribed, and I'll reply to each and every one of you. Let's dive straight in. So I've logged into my Coinbase account and I've clicked to take the quiz. So we've got the first question here. So what you want to do is just copy the question here and paste that into a notepad file. Then underneath that you want to put all the possible answers and you want to make sure you label them 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then when you've done that, you just want to copy all of that and head on over to chatgpt, paste that there and click send message. And it will automatically give us the answer here. So as you can see, the answer is 4. So just head back to the quiz and then select answer 4 and click continue. Now if you don't know what ChatGPT is, just head on over to Google and search ChatGPT and click on that and then click sign up. And once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be able to paste the question as we just did. And I'll leave a link to ChatGPT below the video. So now for the second question here on the Coinbase quiz, we can do the same thing. So be sure to follow along with me in the video and drop a comment below the video saying I passed, so let me know if you passed the Coinbase quiz using this method. So just copy the question and paste that into a notepad file, and then we just want to type all the possible answers here, and again make sure you label them 1, 2 and 3. Then once you've done that, just copy that and head on over to ChatGPT, paste that there and click send. And you can see it gives us the answer as 2. So go back to the Coinbase quiz, select answer 2 and click continue. So now we're on the third question here. So again, just copy the question and paste that into Notepad and then just type out the 3 possible answers. And once you've done that, copy all of this and paste it into ChatGPT and click send. And we can now see the answer is 1. So head back to the Coinbase quiz and select answer 1 and click continue. Now we are on the fourth question. Again, just copy the question into Notepad and then type out the 3 possible answers. And again, make sure you label them as 1, 2 and 3. Then copy all of that and paste it into ChatGPT and click send. And we can see it tells us the answer is 3 here. So go back to the Coinbase quiz, click answer 3 and click continue. So now we're on the second to last question. Again, copy the question into a notepad file and type out the 3 possible answers. Then copy all of that and paste it into ChatGPT. And we can see the answer is 1 here. So head back to the Coinbase quiz, select the first answer and click continue. And finally, we've reached the last question, so let's copy the question and paste it into Notepad, then type out the 3 possible answers. Then copy everything and paste it into ChatGPT. And we can see the answer is 3. So then head to the Coinbase quiz, select answer 3 and click finish. So as you can see, we've successfully passed the Coinbase quiz using answers generated by ChatGPT, and it literally just took a couple of minutes. So if this method worked for you, then let me know by smashing the like button, and if you want to see how my crypto went up to £1 million in less than 4 months, then leave a comment below the video saying make the video, and also check out the links below the video as well. So that's it guys. If you want to see more awesome videos like this, then smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And if you want to see more awesome crypto videos, then click here.